Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 5th, 2022. And I know you clicked on this video because it's titled "Something Terrible Has Happened in AMD Stock." Well, I'm going to show you what the market has just done that I wasn't anticipating to occur in AMD. Now, before I get started in that, welcome to the channel. Yeah, you guys can see on the screen right now, I do price predictions just by looking at price bars and volume. Many people don't understand that that's the only thing you need to understand regarding price movement. I mean, we have a lot of intellectual, smart people that work on Wall Street. You have individuals who have PhDs in mathematics and calculus and a lot of deep dive analytical mathematic components that work on Wall Street, right? And they come in every day to make money. So when they actually come in and participate, they have to show where they're acting, where they're showing their positions. This is what the price chart represents. You don't see what the smart individuals on Wall Street are thinking in fundamental analysis. You don't understand what they're trying to do by placing technical indicators on your chart. The only thing that you can tell what the majority of the market is thinking on any particular type of instrument is the price chart. So you just need to focus in on that. I'm probably one of the only ones out here on these YouTube streets trying to tell you all that. You just need to focus on what everyone else is trying to do with the money, and you'll become better in tuned to what the price is trying to do. So yeah, join the team if you want to. But if you like that fundamental analysis, if you like to get your brain hurting about why the price is going down, the earnings report was great, why is the market going down, then continue to do what you do. But on this side of the world, we're going to continue to focus in on the price and pay attention to the price because it gives us the ability to see both sides of the markets. It allows us to see who's buying and also who's selling. The only thing that fundamental analysis allows you to do is try to figure out what price should be. It doesn't give you the heads up as to this is why price is trading where it is today. Neither does technical analysis. So check this out. I got to keep it a buck. Right? This is the realest channel here on YouTube, giving you all stock price predictions. I was telling you all a couple of days ago, right? March the 1st, that Wall Street has just upgraded the ratings for AMD to outperform. Now, usually they do their ratings, their recommendations on a 12-month basis. Okay, cool, no issues, right? But there's something that I've seen on the chart that makes me think otherwise, right? We have to be independent thinkers regarding stocks, regarding where we think price is going to go. So here it is. I did the video in AMD right here, okay? The 1st of March. Immediately, when you see the market not giving you your expectations, right? You got to take note. Something is going on. The market is not feeling strong in this particular situation. I was looking for the price in AMD to go up. Now it's been 4 days. You have to pay attention to price. That's it. That's the only thing that matters. If we were anticipating the price in AMD to go up, take a look. It's not going up. Okay. And when you see these type of indications, you got to take note of it and say, all right, cool, I may got this one wrong. This might not be correct. What happened to the strength that occurred into the market in AMD when I originally thought that the price was going to go up? It's not showing up. And when it doesn't show up, you got to say, all right, cool. Obviously, the majority of the market is still feeling weak into the market in AMD. Now, you're looking at this and say, yeah, the last 3 days, 4 days, AMD has gone down, but we're not really seeing a lot of weakness. I mean, this stock is still pretty much trading sideways. I get it. I understand. But what I'm going to show you on a 3 weekly time frame may change your perspective. Okay. Let me show you the 3 weekly time frame real quick. And then I want you all to tell me, what do you think the chances are of AMD breaking the trend? Okay. So let me show you the 3 weekly time frame first. Okay. Now, this is it. What do you think now? What do you think the smart money is doing with their money over the last 6 weeks? I mean, look at this volume. Okay, this is not retailers. Let's keep it a buck. This is big money coming in and acting in AMD. Now, what act are they trying to do? Are they trying to buy or are they trying to sell AMD? Let's keep it real. Because this three weekly price bar is telling me that they're selling. Yeah, these 3 weekly price bars, let me show it to you, is telling me that the market in AMD is selling right here. And then this 3 weekly price bar, and definitely this one. This is a indication that the environment in AMD is still weak. We were not able to see the price at AMD come up here to this horizontal line of around $130, $132. That did not happen. And we even saw increase in volume the last 3 weeks on a very small spread. So either the market is opened up their bags and trying to buy as much AMD as possible, or they're really trying to let go. Either or. This is why it brings me to the question that I'm asking you. Do you think this trend is about to break? Yeah, we have been in an upward trend into the market in AMD. Seemingly this trend started that I got on my chart since 2020. Do you think we're about to break it? Just a question. Because if so, we need to get prepared. So what I'm going to do, I am going to get rid of this last price bid because I do not like it. So cut the play on this particular price prediction. It was around 12% loss. I get it. I got it. Understand. But we just didn't get the follow through. And the market has now shown us that the area of restriction is now up here around $123, $124. So what we're going to do, we are going to lower our restriction line first. Okay. We're going to come through and lower it to around this area here. Now, we still have to think about the trend. All right. I get it. I understand. These 2 levels needs to be held, 105 and 100. Now, as time goes on throughout the month of March, AMD breaks both of these price levels. I don't think you're ready to see where the market is headed, right? I don't think you're anticipating how low this particular stock can really go. Because the next level is going to be around 90. Right? It's going to be around 90. Now, this is massively weak in AMD. I'm probably one of the only ones on YouTube telling you all that we're still anticipating this stock to go down. Look at this. Yes, the market should have gone up last week. This last weekly price bar, we should have seen the price go up off of what occurred the week before. We're playing detective. The market did not do that. So all of these weekly price bars to where we're seeing the market get rejected and come down, it all emphasizes that this stock is still weak. It's still weak. So why would you want to hold something that is still weak? Okay. So let me show you what I'm looking at now. Okay, because I'm looking for the price in AMD to go down now. Yes. If you're not able to be versatile and agile and have the ability to move on a dime and act like you don't see what price is doing, you're not fit to be in the stock market. You don't think Wall Street is doing the same thing? You think they're just going to continue to sit on these plays for the next 15,000 years? And act like, oh, the stock is going on discount? No, they're trying to take the bag. If they're seeing the profitability and they're anticipating the market to continue to go down in price, they're going to take the bag. They're going to take the profit. And then they're going to come on mainstream mass social media and come out and say that they're still buying the stock, or that it looks like it's an attractive price right now. Try to get you all to come in and buy it, because you got to understand they need to have a willing buyer on the other side. Many people don't think about that. This is not a friendly market. You need to come into the stock market and act like they're telling you stories and that they're telling you lies. The price chart is the only place that you're not being told a lie. It's the only place that you're not, because you cannot lie as to whether or not you're buying or selling the market. So basically, the last couple of weeks, the market is selling AMD. So whether or not CNBC comes on television and Jim Cramer or all these other YouTubers telling you all to come in and buy this because in the next 3,500 years, AMD is going to be worth a lot more. Okay. But somebody is also on the other side selling it to you all, and they're trying to get out the way. Which one is right? The price chart is telling you which one is right. And right now, AMD is in a downtrend. So we're going to play that. Now, I got 105 and $100 first. Okay. So 105 would have to be an area for us to take the bag. I get it. All right. I'm not going to be ignorant to not think that the market buyers are not still here. Right. They're going to try. They're going to try to hold the price of AMD from falling and breaking this 2020 trend of this market going up. I understand that. Right. So that's only around 3.25%. Cool. Let's take that. Let's be satisfied with it and move on to the next play. All the way back down to 100. Okay. That's my second area is 100. That's around 7.96%. Okay. So we got a 105. Second area is $100. Now, price in AMD comes down to 100. Guess what? Yeah, that trend is broken, and you might as well be weak into the market until we create another trend. Okay. Now, anything outside of 100, the next level is going to be down here. I would say towards 95. Okay. So we have three price targets: 105, 100, and 95.96. That's it. Okay. Now, basically, what I'm playing this weakness on is the longer term. All right. It doesn't mean every other day the price is going to go up. I understand. Yes, be prepared for that. But when I show you all the weekly time frame, don't forget, this is where we're seeing the weakness at. The weekly time frame, and definitely here on the 3 weeks. All right. Look at that. This is the 5 weeks time frame. 6 days and 4 hours left. Pay attention. How we look right now to the market in AMD would definitely let us know whether or not we're going to keep track of this trend or not. All right, so let me just back over to the daily. Let me go ahead and show you all what we got right now and what to be prepared for. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm done. I'm just here to show you what I'm seeing on the chart as to what the smart money, what the majority of the market participants are doing with their money. You don't have to believe it. You can do what you want to do. All right. That's just why I keep the comment section open. So you all tell me, what do you all think? When I see market changes, I follow the market. I don't care what other people are trying to say. Money talks. This is what a lot of other people don't think. This price chart is talking. What do you think it's saying to you? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.